product for my vlogging. This is a Andover mini tripod. I got just for $26 from Amazon. So there are other products which are costing double of this, like Manfrotto's Evo Pixie, which is $56 close to. This is just the same as that. I just wanted to see, is it worth for the $26 of the price, and I wanted to also check how the quality is and everything, and then I will also let you know guys how this is. Let's go and open this box. It's a very simple box, it doesn't have any fancy items in it, so it's like very simple. Yeah, I can see here. I think it has got two parts. Let's open this. If you see this, it looks so similar to the Manfrotto's. You can see, but there is another attachment as well here. Okay, let's open this. So build quality is so good for the $26. You can see how sturdy it is, and it has extensible handles as well. So you can, like, there is a clip here, and then you can just extend as long as you want. So it has got, I think it has got all the features of the Manfrotto, which is $56. You can see like there is a button here, you just have to switch it, and then it becomes the leg becomes straight, equivalent to straight, and then if you don't want that, you can just again switch it to B, and then it doesn't bend more than that. So to pull this leg, you don't have to click the button, you just have to bring it down. So there is another ball head which has got a 90-degree turn. You can turn it like this, and then you can keep it in whatever direction you want, and then lock it. So this is more convenient, like you can fix it. Sometimes if you don't want, you can remove it, or you can see here. It's so lightweight, I would say. It's an easy for vlogging all the stuffs. So let's see if this is capable of holding my DSLR camera. Now I'm going to fix it. Okay, this is my DSLR. I'm just going to fix this. Oops, I don't know. Okay, it's tight. So it's like easy. I think it's easy. It's easy to hold and it's convenient. It's not so heavy. I don't feel it like pushing forward. This is a regular lens, 18 to 55 mm lens with my DSLR Rebel SL2. It's holding pretty sturdy. Yeah, you can see how this holds up. It holds up. I don't think it's struggling to hold this. It's pretty good. Let's let's connect the attachment. Like before that, we'll extend that and then see how it is. I think even you can extend one or two other legs if you want to. If you just want to extend one leg, I think even that's possible. Like you can you can keep it like this or like this, and then if you want to make it flat, even that's possible. So you get to have all the functionalities of the Manfrotto in this one. So suppose I want to connect this head into this, I just have to do the same thing again, roll it up, and then tighten the ball head, and then connect it to my. So now this gives me a little bit extra height and extra extension. Even with the extension, I think it's holding up pretty sturdy, no shakes, nothing. It's strong and sturdy, you can see. And then even with the legs extended, I'm going to try if this holds up pretty sturdy. Yep, even with the legs extended, it's holding up pretty sturdy, you can see. No shakes as well. Let's flatten this up. Okay. Now you can see how this one is. I'm now using the Andover tripod to take this shot. I would say it is a pretty good buy for the price. I don't want to go to the just for the branding. You don't have to spend $56 while you can get this for $26, and it does pretty much the same, and it's also very good quality. So I would really recommend this if you are looking for any tripod. Just without any second thought, just go for this Andover mini tripod. You will really love it.